Cursor revolutionized AI-assisted coding, becoming one of the fastest SaaS companies ever to reach $100 million in annual revenue. But despite this remarkable success, industry observers believe the popular code editor could be facing extinction in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Founded by 4 MIT students through their company Anisphere, Cursor launched publicly in 2023 with a fundamentally different approach. While competitors like GitHub Copilot and Tab9 built plugins for existing editors, Cursor forked VS Code and rebuilt the entire editing experience around AI from the ground up. What set Cursor apart was its AI-native architecture. Features like chat, inline commands, codebase-wide context, and multi-file editing weren't add-ons but core functionalities. The timing was perfect, as developers everywhere were exhausted from constantly copy-pasting between ChatGPT and their editors. But here lies the fundamental challenge. Cursor was built for software developers, precisely the audience most likely to adapt and abandon tools quickly. As agent-based systems like Claude Code and Codex emerge, developers can now describe what they want in plain English and let AI work autonomously on entire code bases. Compare this to platforms like Lovable, which targets non-technical users wanting to build without learning programming concepts. Those users remain loyal because diving into development tools is something they actively avoid. Cursor's audience is the opposite, developers who switch the moment something faster or cheaper appears. There's also a structural financial disadvantage. Running premium AI models through Cursor costs significantly more per token than using Claude Code or Codex directly. Anthropic and OpenAI control their models and subsidize costs to attract developers. Cursor essentially pays retail API prices, then marks them up to users. Cursor isn't dead yet, but survival requires dramatic transformation. They could train proprietary coding models to control costs, though that means competing directly with AI giants. They could bet on open source models closing the quality gap. Or they could pivot toward less technical users. None of these options are easy. The harsh reality is that Cursor solved a temporary problem during a transitional period when AI models were capable but couldn't operate autonomously. That window has essentially closed. The developers who love Cursor today will likely migrate to tools from model providers themselves, not because Cursor degraded, but because the entire landscape evolved beyond it. Enjoyed this update? Follow for more videos and updates like this.